Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 62nd day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. So today is Sunday and on Sunday I have a very fundamental thing, and these fundamental things are very important, and as fundamental rights are very necessary to us, so these are the fundamental things are also necessary for us. So while doing my practice, I was like, what are the main reason behind why we couldn't get that challenge, or couldn't that get courage to start a challenge or anything, aim or goal. Even after trying so many times, what is the reason, and what are the main steps we should have taken for start these things. Like if I talk about me, before taking this challenge I tried so many times for starting this challenge. Even I made videos, and I prepared a thumbnail also for YouTube, but I couldn't get that courage to start my YouTube channel and taking this challenge. So what is the main reason behind it? See, like there's a two things. The first thing is that what is the main reason behind it, and the second thing is that what are the main action we should have taken for reducing this thing and for taking that particular challenge, particular action, so that we can start our challenge or goal. So like as I as I'm talking about me, like after doing lots of efforts, I couldn't start because at that time I didn't have courage. I didn't have that much positive energy and positive thoughts. Lots of negative thoughts came in my mind, and fear of judging, lots of negative aura I had. And because of this thing I couldn't start even after trying so many times. Okay, what is the main thing, like we should have we should have do we should have like take step for it, so we can start this thing. See, like as I told you in previous videos also, I tried lots of time, and I didn't stop trying. So main thing is that you should not stop to trying. Like there's a word I read somewhere, like you have to maintain your momentum of actions. If you stop that momentum, then there is a lots of lacking, lots of gap is created, and after creating gap, you could not start this thing again. That. And the main thing is that when you are focusing on your momentum of actions, when you're working on your momentum of actions, so the energy in you is increased day by day. Because even after like what that word uh, even after trying so many times, the energy is gathered in you, and one day when this energy gathered in a very energetic form. So like after that, after getting that energetic form, then one day you will start this thing, definitely. So main thing is that you should have continue with your actions. Stop doing actions. If you like why that fear and lacking of confidence is created in us? Because we are sit we are not able to take actions. And after stopping taking these actions, then I mean that fear and lots of negative thoughts starting coming in our mind. So this is the main hurdle. That's why I'm saying, when I was reading that line, like momentum of actions and maintaining or upholding momentum, then I was like, it's a very nice line. And when I started reading that particular chapter, it was like, seriously, it is very nice thing. uh, of course, like if I like as I started my this spoken journey, before taking this challenge, I was working on me. Then, like as I told you, I made lots of videos. Whenever I wanted to talk to me, I started making video. And means that, what that word, that environment of making video in me is being created slowly. And like as I told you, like uh, I didn't stop. I didn't stop momentum of my actions. Then I gathered lots of positive energies, and after gathering lots of energy, and it is like it is a boom of energy. And one day I started my channel. I started my challenge. This is the main thing. I mean, so okay. And I like while reading it, it was like it's a seriously very good thing. And if we start anything, if we start taking actions, then we should have, I mean, as I told you, the main thing is needed for one step only. Like if I take one step, first step, then things will be going in an easy way. and and okay. Okay, Jai Hind, thank you.